Hello viewers. In this video today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best Nioxin available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best Nioxin for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the best Nioxin brands consumer ratings and reports. Number 5. Nioxin Scalp Recovery Kit for Unisex with Moisturizing Conditioner and Cleanser. Anti-Dandruff System Scalp Recovery with ZPT Neo-Derma Technology for an itchy, flaky scalp is designed to combat dandruff from the first use. Contains pyrithione, zinc, and green tea extract. Relieves dandruff symptoms, such as itching and flaking or visible flakes, with regular use. Medicating cleanser, moisturizing conditioner, and soothing serum leaves hair nourished, smoothed, and moisturized. With pyrithione, zinc, and green tea extract. Number 4. Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo for Natural Hair with Progressed Thinning. Professional Hair and Scalp Cleanser, shampoo for natural hair with progressed thinning. Deeply cleanses the scalp and provides thicker, fuller-looking hair. It helps remove sebum, fatty acids, and other environmental residues from the scalp and hair. Prepare hair and scalp for a complete hair thickening treatment starting with a shampoo cleanser. Number 3. Nioxin Anti-Dandruff Scalp Recovery Moisturizing Conditioner. Reduce dandruff and smoothen your hair with the Nioxin Scalp Recovery Moisturizing Conditioner with pyrithione, zinc. As part of a complete scalp and hair care system, this conditioner leaves hair nourished and moisturized. With pyrithione, zinc, an active ingredient, and green tea extracts. Step 1 of the Anti-Dandruff System. Number 2. Nioxin Scalp Therapy Conditioner System 3. Professional hair and scalp conditioner for colored hair with light thinning. Lightweight, Nioxin conditioner moisturizes hair and scalp to achieve thicker, fuller-looking hair. This hair conditioner, which can get rid of fatty acids, follicle-clogging sebum, and other environmental residues. Behind the chair Stylist Choice winner Favorite Thinning Hair Care, 16 consecutive years. Number 1. Nioxin Scalp Therapy Conditioner, System 2. Strengthen and moisturize your hair with Nioxin System 2 Scalp Therapy Conditioner. Scalp Therapy Conditioner provides hair resilience thanks to the Bio-AMP technology. Lightweight, Nioxin conditioner is specially designed for hair with progressed thinning and leaves it fuller looking. Designed to strengthen hair, amplify hair structure, and helps retain moisture balance. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And, remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.